Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your Nick from Chayatsuji Kimono. Excuse me the fact if you can hear noise outside. I actually have my balcony door open because it's supposed to be 19 degrees today. But the reason why I'm filming this like casual, just wearing everyday clothes, is because I don't think I've ever shown you where I stored my Erishin or my color stiffeners. That's because they're here in my living room. And they're actually underneath this rug. And this is quite a heavy rug, it's fairly big as well. I've had this for at least 10 years, probably even going on 15 years at the moment. And it's quite heavy, which is perfect for storing my Erishin underneath. So like 6 of them. Yeah, 6 of them, two summer ones and then 4 regular ones. Now because this rug is rather heavy, it smoothens out the Erishin quite well, and that's why I put them underneath. As I've noticed that when I keep my Erishin in my juban for around a day, that it bends them, and somehow if I store them elsewhere I don't get them perfectly straight anymore. So that's why I put them underneath here. Now the downside too is that they do get dusty quite a bit, so whenever I pull them out I just take a cloth and then just remove the dust that way. It's quite easy and handy actually. I've done this ever since for as long as I can remember actually, at least living on my own, that is, for 6 years now. So that's just pretty much how I store my Erishin. Like, I know a lot of you that you store them like in cupboards or whatever, or shelving, but I've done that before when I was still living at home, I think. But what I found is that they just don't get fully straight anymore, and I prefer them to have them dead straight, because otherwise the color is just wonky. Now that happened with my what's again the easy color. This easy color, just someone as you can see, hope it's not too bright. This one is just perfectly straight, but this one has gotten a little bit wonky, and somehow I don't feel like it looks good, like how it's supposed to look, I guess. So whenever I just put them underneath the rug, I don't have that problem anymore, except for the fact that they get dusty. But yeah, that's, I suppose, the one and only con after so many pros. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you today. I will let you guys go, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.